This is the look. I wish you guys could see what I'm doing, but then it'd be inappropriate. Anyway, so this is the final look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vintage Lori, and today your girl, I'm looking good. I'm looking good. Let's get into it. Like, this ponytail girl's been giving me vibes, and guess what? It was very affordable. Look, this look, I'm gonna be having fun doing another get ready with me because I feel like it's just a lot of fun. I'm gonna be taking it way back, and I'm gonna be using my Estee Lauder foundation, the Double Wear foundation, in the shade 5W1 Bronze. So W stands for warm, meaning this is a warm undertone. My concealer, and we're gonna start with this. Thing's almost done. I gotta go back to the hair store and get some more. Come on. Why does this always get clogged up like this? Do you guys see this? I feel like it's gonna bust. This is annoying. Hello? We are filming. You can't be doing me dirty like this. Like a freaking, yo. I'm gonna cuss bad word up your massa. Now what am I gonna cuss bad word? Okay, but are you gonna come out though? Okay, I got it. We positively missed makeup. I adore doing makeup, especially on other people, because I love to see the transformation. Like, I love to see when like they see themselves and they're like, oh my god, that's me, and I'm like, yeah girl, that's you. So can we talk about like what's been happening in the world and popular culture right now? Like, can we talk about that while I do my eyes? I'm gonna be using Miss Jackie Aina's palette. I love this palette. I'm a die-hard avid user of this palette, yeah. And like I said, I don't really know what I'm going for, but let's talk about Chloe X Bailey. Sis be looking mad good, and it's crazy to see how they, oh, this is really, I forgot how pigmented this is. Crazy to see how like much they've grown from YouTube into these mature grown women. Like, they are looking real good, and like your girl is thoroughly impressed. Now, in terms of music, like, honestly, I don't really listen to them, so if you have any suggestions of what songs I should listen to, I would love to hear them below, because I really just listen to the do it and I can do it, oh, do it. I love that song. So Ginger, just to like bring it down a little bit, I'm using that same brush, and just also to add some definition, you know, with this burnt orange thing going on here. I've been noticing on TikTok that there's a lot of yappa.
Yeah, Shanice,
Yeah?
your mouth is moving a lot like a rat. Yappa. Shut it, please.
Shut it. So shut, your mouth is moving like a rat. Yappa. Talking about one side of my face I'm doing in the year 2016, the other side of my face 2021. Like, makeup changes a lot, but can we just slow our brakes here, okay? Like, some of us are still trying to get this together. You know what I'm saying? Now, if you don't have this in your collection, you are not a true makeup fanatic. I said what I said, and I will stand on it. Okay, I'm gonna stand on that. I'm gonna go in with This one looks kind of peachy. This one looks kind of, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here on my lid, and I'm still using the ABH brush. I know a lot of people don't use this brush, but I'm using this brush, so yeah. My Jackie Aina palette, and I'm gonna go into Credit. Why is this giving a white cast? This is not giving what it usually gives, so I don't know what's going on here. Maybe it's old. Will it still do what it gotta do though? Will it still perform well? Is that okay? Like, will it still do its job? You can see, like, it's a really good match. And I'm gonna buff it into my skin. And then when I'm done buffing it, I'm gonna use a damp beauty blender and just blend it in further. So yeah. So I feel like this looks really, really good. But I need more coverage on this side of my face because I just feel like I do. So yeah, I'm not gonna do that, but I am gonna do this new technique that is the big craze on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok if you haven't, at Vintage Lori. Guys, do you like this? Like, what do you think? I think that it's not giving what y'all say it's supposed to give. No, I want my money back. This summer is about to be like a movie for some reason. Like, I guess because the vaccine rollout, America's doing good. Like, we're getting our vaccines as well here in Canada now, and not necessarily in my age demographic, but I just feel like I can feel a change kind of coming in the atmosphere. You know what I mean? And I just feel like this summer is about to be a movie type of thing. Like, so this is very pale. So like, I gotta get my ish together for fitness and stuff. Like, I really gotta, yeah, I can't use that. I really gotta get working. I want to bring you guys on my summer body transformation. I lost 11 pounds. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I did. And like, it was a lot of work, but we still got a lot more work to do. So it's gonna be really interesting for me and really intimate as well. So I really want to bring you guys into this journey, because I just feel like you guys don't know me yet, and I feel like I want to get to know you as much as I think you guys deserve to get to know me. And I think we're gonna have so much fun. Like, I just have so much visions and dreams for this channel, and like I'm so thankful and excited to bring it to life. So we're gonna go, we're gonna do all that, I'm gonna show you, we're gonna bring it along, we're gonna get our summer body together. Guys, we are gonna get the bag together, we're gonna be on our grown woman tip. I was watching GRWM. She's one of my favorite YouTubers here on YouTube, and she was talking in her vlog, but just because I make YouTube videos does not mean I don't watch YouTubers. I'm still a viewer, I'm still very much so a fan. And so I was watching my girl, and she was talking about how she feels like she needs to get her life together. She's on her grown woman tip, she just had a birthday, and she feels that way. I'm turning 26 this year, and I know I don't look it, girl. I know I don't look it. I'm just kidding. Obviously I do. But basically, like, I'm turning 26 this year, and I'm just thinking to myself, like, I really want to get my stuff together. Like, I'm really feeling like it's time to really get my finances in order. Start looking into some other things for myself and for my man. And so I'm just like, yo, I really gotta get the gas pedal going, because not that I'm necessarily getting older or anything, like rushing against the clock, but what I am feeling like is like, I think it's time to, like, you know, get my ish together. Look for this shade, because I don't know the name anymore. It is gone. And just put on my lashes, and okay guys, so this is the final look. Wearing a top from Urban Behavior that I really like. It's kind of revealing. I think I got a little foundation on it right here. Let me show you the fit. Hold on. This is the look. I wish you guys could see what I was doing, but then it'd be inappropriate. Anyway, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Planty. I've been neglecting Planty, guys. You can see how sad Planty is. But yeah, this is the final look. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.